Hey there, it's Brittany. It's the 15th of the month, so that means this video is for the monthly jewelry collab challenge. Wendy, Angela from Pirate Pretties, Nina, Sarah, and I are all doing this challenge, and you guys are following along. I've seen some really cute stuff. And today we're doing February's video, which was red and pink, or red or pink, as how I'm going to interpret it. The metal type would be silver or rose gold. Then the type of jewelry would either be earrings or a keychain, and then the theme would be hearts or love. So I've never made a keychain on my channel. I don't know that I made a keychain before, so this was a huge challenge for me, and I didn't want to just do a pair of earrings because I just did my Valentine's Day blitz, so I thought, let's make a keychain. So we're gonna make a keychain. I was looking through all my stuff, and lo and behold, look who bought some heart keychains. So I'm super excited to use this. It's gonna be a simple design today because I just want to focus on the love. So I'm making the theme Lovebug. I think that's super cute and like a ladybug theme. I bought these beads last year to make something for Valentine's Day. Guess who never made anything with them? This girl. So they have they're like frosted lampwork glass beads with red and black, red inside, black polka dots. So I thought they looked like little ladybugs, and I think that's just so cute, like with a love bug theme. So we have a heart here, and then I got to digging, and I think we're gonna make a leather keychain. So I have some 1mm leather, and I'm almost positive this came from Bracelet-Street, USA, because that's where I got most of my leather. And then recently I just had an unboxing from Nina at Hole in the Wall Beads, and I had these spacers. I didn't know what I was going to use them on, but I think they'll look good here. I have a couple lava beads, and I have this cinnabar heart, and I think I got it black cinnabar heart. I have a baggie of them, and I think when I got them I was just like, oh yeah, that's okay. But I was looking through my like ethnic drawers, like my African and bone and tribal drawers, and I saw these. I was like, what? And I know I recently got them, so I think we're gonna use one of those. And then the only other tool besides some scissors or nippers that I have is my barrel knot bead tube. So I haven't done a barrel knot in a very long time. And barrel knots and I are kind of like some of you in crimps. And I know if you're in my bead group, some of you hate crimping. So that's how I feel about barrel knots. Sometimes I feel real great about making barrel knots. Sometimes I feel real bad about making them. So today we'll see what happens, right? So I'm going to take isn't that just so cute? This little heart. And I'm going to put my barrel knot tube. I didn't really cut a length off of this yet. I'll cut it after I make my barrel knot, because if I mess up my barrel knot, I don't want to just like have to keep cutting pieces of leather and all that. So I'm making a tail. I'm gonna make it longer than it probably needs to be, just to be safe, because I'm not the best. Well, I'm not gonna say I'm not the best, but I'm not the most confident when I'm making my barrel knots, just because I haven't practiced in so long. Like I can't even remember. I probably haven't made one since I moved into this house. Okay, so we'll put the tail, the shorter tail, on the bottom. Okay, we put our barrel knot tube between our two pieces of leather. It's the same piece of leather, but our two strings. Put the long piece on top, and then we'll go up over. Hold that in place. Ooh, keep that in the middle. Oh goodness, see, this is why I need like 3 hands to do a barrel knot. And then we'll go back twice. And then, see, that's why I needed a longer piece. I'm just going to kind of squinch those together. Yes, squinch is a real word in my life. And then I'm going to move my tube down a little bit. Oh goodness. See, this is why I needed a longer piece. All right, we're going to start over. This is why we're gonna start over. Okay, so I'm gonna make a longer piece here. I'm just gonna make it ridiculously long. Who cares, right? It's my leather. All right, so if you want a really good tutorial on barrel knots, I have actually done really good ones, but Kelly's Bead Boutique is where I usually go to watch somebody make an actual good barrel knot. So let's move this up a little bit closer to our keychain. We'll make our 2 pieces, the shorter end on the bottom, the longer end on the top, go up and around, right next to it. Yeah, I just needed a longer piece. And we'll go around one more time. Hold that in place, don't let it slip. Gosh, it's like a totally different person than 5 seconds ago when I was doing the first one. Put it through our barrel knot tube. Hold on to your knot, don't let it slip. Pull the tube out. And then we're going to walk our knot down to our keychain, slowly tightening. And you want to be careful because you don't want to move your knot to where it's becoming tangled. See, it's like I was a pro all along. 5 minutes ago, I was not even, was a hot mess. Okay, 2 minutes ago. All right, so we're gonna just tighten that. I'm gonna grab my glue, my GS Hypo Cement, and we're gonna dab the knot. And I'm just gonna let it be a little bit free. I don't want it to be all in one place. And if you see, like it might get stuck there, I just want it to be moving around a little bit. But I want this part to not be too loose, okay? I'm gonna grab my glue, we'll dab it, and we'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, just some regular old GS Hypo Cement. I haven't used this in so long. I've been doing so many stringing projects. When was the last time we made a stretch bracelet? I'm sure you guys are probably like, when are you gonna make a stretch bracelet? Maybe that bracelet blitz, that one back with all the African beads. That was the last time I made a stretch bracelet. It's been a while. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that's the tightness I want. This, sometimes if you don't put your cap on correctly, your GS Hypo Cement does this beautifulness right here. I'm just gonna put my cap, or my the pointed nozzle part. You can't really see it because there's glue seeping out. Oh my gosh, let me clean it. Okay, I cleaned it to the best of my ability right now. And then I'm just going to dab a little bit on this knot right in there. Okay, and we're not going to cut it yet. We're gonna let that seep in a little bit. Let me just make sure there's enough on the other side. Yeah, there's enough. And then make sure you put your cap back on your glue right away. Okay, while that's drying, I'm just gonna leave it alone, leave the tail there, and I'm just going to cut a length of leather. I'm not doing a very long keychain, so probably 8 inches would be more than enough. I might cut it just a little bit longer than that, just because I get anxious and I don't want to make sure. I want to make sure that I only cut once, and I think I just cut my leather in the middle of it with my fabric scissors that are very sharp. All right, so here's our little keychain. I'm gonna start by putting on one of our little ladybugs here. That's what I'm calling them anyway. That feels so cute. I love these when I bought them last year. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna put one of our lavas on the top. I'm gonna put on a spacer. Sorry, I have glue on my fingers from very small exposure. I got enough glue on myself right away. Okay, then a ladybug. Gosh, this is gonna be so cute. Okay, then another spacer. A ladybug. I know they're not really ladybugs, but that's what I'm calling them. And then I'm gonna put on my Cinnabar heart. Oh, it's so cute, and it just looks, I don't know, if you're not like a super lovey-dovey person, I call Valentine's Day Singles Awareness Day. I know I didn't come up with it, but I love it because I'm single, and Valentine's Day Blitz was really cutesy, but this one's just like maybe a little black, love bug heart. So I'm gonna put on another ladybug. I'm just gonna do the exact same pattern all the way to the bottom. I'm telling you guys, this is really easy, but it's gonna pack a punch. It's gonna be super cute. And then another spacer. And then I'm gonna find my last lava bead. gosh, this is making me happy. I was like really stressed. I was like, what am I going to make? I don't even know. And you guys know I love hearts. I love them. And I was like, I don't even know where half my hearts are because all my charms are downstairs. I brought them downstairs about a month ago to organize them. Guess what? They're still in all the bins. So I was just stressing out. And I was like, oh, can I make something with polymer clay? And it's too late and blah, 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 blah. But gosh, when I started, I didn't think I would have anything this cute. Okay, so this is still drying, but we're going to move that up as close to the knot as we can. And then I'm just going to do a simple knot down here. One little knot is not going to be able to slip through the bottom of this lava bead. This lava bead had just about a millimeter hole. So a little knot that's probably about 2 millimeters is not going to be able to slip through the bead. So we want to make sure everything's tight because you don't want this one. You don't want to be loosey goosey. It's a keychain. You don't really need any wiggle room. All right. You can do a fancy knot there if you really want to. I don't really want to. And then we're gonna trim off the end of this knot here. You can leave a long tail. You can even string on a charm here, like a heart charm. You could do a barrel knot and put another, like a button or whatever you want there. Whatever you want. I'm gonna be, like I said, this is gonna be super easy. This is a challenge, right? The challenge is to fit the goal. We don't have to go crazy every single time. So I'm gonna cut it that long, see how I feel about it. And then, because I can always cut it shorter, I can't always cut it longer. All right, and then I'm gonna come up here. I'm gonna grab my nippers and clip in there because I don't wanna mess something up with those really sharp scissors. I'm gonna pull this tight. Okay, and you can see there's a little bit of brown in there. I took my Sharpie downstairs. Of course I did. I never keep things where they're supposed to be. So just grab a black Sharpie, black pen, black marker, whatever color you're using. Okay, this is not a Sharpie, but it's working. And then there we go. You couldn't even tell. So what do we think? Is this a Lovebug bracelet, or not bracelet, keychain? Does it fit the challenge? Would you use a keychain made like this? I don't use keychains very often, but I think I could. Oh goodness, did I make it too tight to where you can't get back over? No. There we go. There we go. I'm going to back it out a little bit because you can't really see it all in one. Okay, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think. Would you guys want to see other keychains? We can do like a ton of them. This is a really simple project, but maybe if you'd like to see keychains in the future, let me know. I've put all the other participating channels in the description below: Angela, Nina, Sarah, and Wendy. And hopefully you guys are playing along with us. You can also check out my bead group. I've put that in the description. We're having a really fun 100-day color challenge. People are saying that they're getting a lot of inspiration from it. It's causing them to look through their bead stash to make sure they have the right color, and they're seeing beads they haven't seen in years. So it's totally fun. Yesterday I was freaking out. I was looking for one color of bead for about 30 minutes, and I finally found 4 beads. That's it in my entire stash in this color, and I was like, what? So it's fun. It's fun. You kind of have to go on a treasure hunt. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your night. Stay tuned for Goldie. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie butt. Hi. Can you say good night, everybody? Yeah? You snuggling with your donut? You love that donut. Yeah, you do. Good night. Be gone. Bye-bye.